Hi guys, welcome back to my channel Jobs in India. In this video I am going to explain two companies started their hiring, and the first one will be cloud engineering from past technologies and next one will be Css Corp from technical support engineering role. These two companies started their hiring for freshers, so apply as much quickly. Why? Because of if you are applying late, the ending date is going to end now. So I'm going to explain completely, so don't skip out. Just to subscribe to my channel and like my channel, then only you may get a more update from my channel. The first one will be cloud engineer from RAS, Hanu software technologies from BE BTech 2022 and 2023 batch, Greater Noida. With the cloud engineering role, if you have done any experience, good knowledge in C++, Java, .NET, excellent communication, passionate towards cloud technology, online assessment and face-to-face interview they mentioned here. You can start apply using LinkedIn with your resume. If you are not create a LinkedIn profile, just create now itself. Then only you may get more update about your job. Millions of jobs opening in LinkedIn website. So apply as much quickly. And next one will be Css Corp technical support engineering. 0 to 5 years Chennai. Training location 17 to 2022. Walk-in into dimension. Your application form will be name, email ID, phone number. How are you comfortable work? Yes. Do you have any experience in technical wise? Yes or no, you can give none. CNA certified? No. Work location Chennai? Yes or no. It's your, are you willing to work from office? It's your wish. Yes or no. Rate percentage 8 or 7 you can give. How many years of experience in Windows operating Mac? 0 experience you can give. Attach your resume and submit it. Within 6 to 7 days you may get a mail from Css Corp team. So this all the two companies started hiring. Apply as much quickly. If you have any doubt regarding this, just comment me. I will provide the link in the description. You just want to apply with it, click clear and apply. If your account means it will automatically send your resume to that HR team. Though I'm going to meet Zenit B from a fresher back leading consultative from them. You are going to meet with their hiring team Janetta B. She is the one who is going to hire you in interview process everything. So apply as much quickly guys. Thanks for watching.